a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone detected a group of 2 to 3 Ukrainian infantry personnel. The drone rapidly advanced toward the position. As it approached at close range, the infantry reacted simultaneously, attempting to counter the drone as it closed to just a few meters near a soldier positioned by a vehicle. Another Ukrainian infantryman stepped out of his shelter for just a few seconds. Immediately, a Russian FPV drone engaged and tracked the soldier. The daily infantry search operation continues. Enemy soldiers on the front line were observed by Russian FPV drones. Their movements were carefully tracked throughout the area. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. On another section of the front line, a Ukrainian infantryman was identified by a Russian FPV drone while moving alone. Reconnaissance units of the Northern Group identified the position of a Ukrainian self-propelled gun in the village of Bogdana, Kharkiv region, whose crew was conducting sustained fire toward Russian positions in Vchansk. Drone operators affiliated with the Northern Group targeted and struck the opposing vehicle, disabling the Ukrainian 2S-1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer. On the southern outskirts of the village of Mercilessly in the Sumy Oblast, an FPV operator from the Siver Group identified an opposing SUV and struck the vehicle with a precision strike using a fiber-optic guided drone. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments. Subscribe and like. In the Constantinifka direction, a fiber-optic guided FPV drone operated by Russia's South Group was used to engage Ukrainian infantry positioned along a forest belt. In this footage, an FPV drone operator from the VT-40 unit of the Volunteer Flame Corps of Russia's Southern Group is monitoring Ukrainian forces near the settlement of Orakhovka. At first, the drone approaches a Ukrainian pickup truck, but the operators soon shift their focus to a second vehicle. Ukrainian soldiers can be seen seated in the rear of this transport, and the drone continues to closely observe it. South Group Fiber Optics FPV drone operators engaged Kiev Forces infantry concealed in forested areas of the Konstantinovsky direction. Precision strikes denying cover and disrupting movement. In this daily frontline operation, Russian FPV drone units are actively deployed to locate and engage enemy infantry positions. Equipped with thermal cameras, these drones are capable of detecting movement even in low visibility conditions, making concealment increasingly difficult. The footage shows how operators track targets in real time, maintaining constant surveillance before committing to engagement. With heavy munitions attached, the drones are designed to deliver precise and decisive strikes once a target is confirmed. Despite attempts to evade or hide, enemy infantry find it nearly impossible to escape detection. The combination of thermal imaging, persistent tracking, and rapid strike capability highlights how FPV drones are being used systematically to control movement across the battlefield. Today's report from the battlefield once again highlights the coordinated interaction of several units. This time, we focus on mine clearing and engineering units carrying out missions to expand the security zone along the Russian border in coordination with mobile air defense groups. Engineers ensure the safe movement of troops and equipment by clearing the border area of mines. Meanwhile, UAV operators using the latest Yela interceptor drones provide air support. These drones can automatically lock onto opposing aerial targets, track them, and then neutralize them, The system independently detects and follows targets, enabling a rapid response to aerial threats without the need for additional forces. Objective monitoring FAB 1500 strike on Ukrainian positions in Constantinfa. This footage captures the guided FAB 1500 airstrike targeting Ukrainian armed forces positions in Constantinfa. The video provides a clear view of the strike's trajectory, impact, and resulting destruction. Observers can see the precise targeting of enemy fortifications, with structures and equipment neutralized upon impact. The operation demonstrates the effectiveness of combining aerial guidance with heavy ordnance to achieve maximum results against fortified positions. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more frontline updates. Airstrike on Velika Pizarevka Airfield and Supply Depot, FAB 3000 Precision. Footage shows a targeted airstrike on the Velika Pizarevka Airfield in Sumy, a key installation of the Ukrainian armed forces, alongside the destruction of a military supply depot in Constantinfa. Guided FAB 3000 bombs were used to achieve maximum impact. The strike demonstrates precision targeting with runway sections, aircraft positions, and supply structures destroyed. The simultaneous neutralization of the depot disrupted logistical support, emphasizing the effectiveness of coordinated aerial operations. Rubicon Center Operation, Patriot system neutralized in Zaporizhzhia direction. According to available footage, Russian Rubicon Center units detected and carried out a strike on a Ukrainian air defense position near the village of Vasilkivsk in the Zaporizhzhia direction. The targeted system reportedly included N/MPQ 53 radar and 2 MIM-104 Patriot launchers. The operation began with aerial reconnaissance, where drone assets identified the location and confirmed the composition of the air defense battery. After precise coordinates were established, strike assets were directed toward the site. The footage shows the moment of impact, with explosions reported at the radar station and launcher positions. The strike appears to have disrupted the system's operational capability, reducing its ability to provide air defense coverage in the area. A Russian soldier tests an underbarrel net launcher designed to stop incoming FPV drones. The device fires a net to entangle the drone mid-air, offering a close-range defensive option against fast aerial threats. Camouflage didn't save it, FPV strike on T-64. Shout out to Lost Armor for the footage, and credit to Kiev forces for an impressive attempt at tank camouflage eyes. FPV drone operators from the 4th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade identified and tracked a camouflaged T-64 tank in the Constantinfa direction. Despite its concealed position and non-standard reactive armor setup, the vehicle was detected from above. The operators maintained visual contact, adjusted their approach, and executed a precise strike. The camouflage and modified protection were not enough to prevent the hit, and the tank was ultimately destroyed. This moment highlights how aerial surveillance and FPV precision can overcome even well-prepared defensive measures on the battlefield. Today's frontline compilation, Multidirection Drone Operations. This video brings together today's combat footage from drone operators across the Special Military Operations Zone, offering a wide look at ongoing activity on multiple fronts. The compilation includes sequences from the Kupiansk front, where reconnaissance and strike drones continue to track and engage movement along contested positions. From Group North, clips highlight not only drone operations but also elements of air defense activity supporting ground units. In the Zaporizhzhia direction, FPV drones are seen targeting positions and equipment, while in the Krasny-Lyman sector, operators focus on locating and suppressing enemy activity in forested and fortified areas. Additional footage from drone crews of Group Center shows coordinated strikes and surveillance missions, emphasizing continuous pressure along the line of contact. Overall, the video reflects the growing role of drone warfare across all directions, where constant aerial presence, coordination, and precision strikes are shaping the tempo of operations on the battlefield. In the Lipy direction, a well-coordinated ambush resulted in the destruction of a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck. One soldier was later found disoriented in the forest after losing the vehicle. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Russian GoPro footage captures stormtroopers riding a Desert Cross 1000 buggy as it comes under FPV drone attack, highlighting the vulnerability of light transport vehicles in contested zones.
Не знаю.
In the forested area of the Sunumi region, KVN fiber optic FPV drone operators executed multiple strikes, destroying a 155mm 2S22 Bogdana self-propelled gun mounted on an 88x88 Patriot T158 chassis. A compilation of strikes against enemy air assets, Kurilovka. This footage shows a series of coordinated strikes targeting air-related assets in the village of Kurilovka. Reconnaissance drones first identified key positions, including equipment and possible drone operation points. Once targets were confirmed, precision strikes were carried out using FPV drones and guided munitions. Multiple hits were recorded in quick succession, indicating a planned and systematic operation against these positions. The objective of such strikes is to weaken aerial capabilities, disrupt reconnaissance, and reduce the enemy's ability to operate drones effectively.